How's it going, Ethan?
Good.
So how do you do the glove? Tell me how you do it.
Well, I do circular motions. So
Okay.
I make sure that my glove is wet.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just start wiping away an area and I do a circular motion.
And do you push hard or not hard?
Not hard.
Not hard. So do you see the dirt coming up?
Yep.
I'm going to come in a little bit closer to see that. I can see all those dirty spots everywhere. That's pretty awesome. So then once you're done doing that, then what happens? What do you do?
You just rinse it off.
Rinse it off? And then you can dry it off with the annual fill, right?
Yep. Exactly.
Does it get in those little grooves really well?
Yeah.
Perfect. I think this is a 2-minute car wash instead of a 15-minute car